me a little boil. Ain't no like seafood boil like that, but it's got shrimp, potatoes, eggs in here. See, shrimp and potatoes and eggs, y'all. Got my Mountain Dew. But yeah, as you can see, I'm still sick. So, yeah. I've been under the weather for like 3 weeks, y'all. I don't even know what's going on. But let me pray and then get it in. So, amen. Yeah, y'all, I've been sick for a minute. Thanks for everybody with their prayers and stuff. It's helping. Everybody in the house is sick. Trey's sick. Maya's sick. Jeremiah not sick yet, but yeah, I've been sick longer than everybody else. It's hot. Fresh. And no, I have not peeled anything yet. I want to peel it on here. It's kind of spicy. I think I made it spicy. But Walmart be selling other stuff still. I think everybody caught on to the little crab boils and seafood boil stuff. I made my own sauce. Everybody else be copying everybody else's sauce. I made my own. Not the same ingredients either everybody have. But with the onions and the garlic, yeah, that makes everything taste good though. This is so good. Yeah, but I ain't having a video because I really been sick. I've been going through it. My head has been killing me. My throat. Everything. Ooh, them tastes hot. Y'all can see the steam coming off my lung. Yeah, but I've been going through it. And I'm here to stay. As y'all can see, I finally got me a different green screen. Because the other one wasn't kicking it. Ooh, it's still hot. Kids in bed, Trey at work, and I'm here talking to myself. But talking to y'all. I wonder, do y'all ever feel weird talking to yourself in the camera? Like, do you? Then you can't answer yourself, you can't answer, like, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, it feels kind of weird. But you gotta get used to it. Yeah, I bought some crab though, but I don't want to cook up crab right now. Just shrimp, potatoes, eggs. Cause when you sick, I guess you can't eat like that. And I had pneumonia like twice. Oh, I got my TV down. Ooh. Y'all, it's hot. My bed is hot. Them peppers make everything hot. But yeah, I appreciate everybody that did my challenge. Those who haven't did my challenge yet, what are you waiting for? I've been trying my best. This stuff hot and so I've been trying my best to do everybody's challenge. But do they want to show Trey and they love? NayandTray love? No. I should make this little ASMR. Just not say nothing, huh? Ooh, y'all. Yeah, but shout out to everybody that helped us reach our goal. Now we on them watch hours. Them watch hours is growing. I appreciate y'all. On the road to UK. That's our next goal I'm trying to reach. Mm. I'm trying to reach 2K. I ain't got no napkins. My kids use all the napkins. I forgot to buy some. This hot, y'all. I gotta wait a minute. It's hot. I'm sorry. Be right back. 1 second. Okay. You know how you gotta check, see your camera go out, because my camera be tripping all the time. Ooh, man. Okay, the thing I want to talk about, I know it's gonna get on a lot of people's nerves or they'll get offensive about it, but if you live in a if you live in a 2-person household, grown adults and stuff, you'll be in a 2-bedroom, and you invite somebody to your house, wouldn't you expect your husband or your wife to tell you about it first? I'm just saying, I'm not pointing no fingers at nobody, I'm just saying. You have to tell your spouse also, because it's both your house, it's not just one person's house. It's both y'all. A lot of people like, oh, they mean, or I'm mean. I'm not mean. I'm just telling you what it is. You have to tell your spouse, or your boyfriend, your girlfriend, y'all live together, who coming to your house. You gotta tell. You gotta ask. Matter of fact, you gotta ask the person, because it's both of your house. It's not just one person. It's both of y'all. Woo, you. Sorry, y'all. It was not this hot. This was not that hot. Because I just recently did everything, but it was not that hot. I think somebody put some extra hotness in my stuff. Ain't nobody here but the kids. But it's out of respect for the other person also. So that's all I was saying. You gotta respect the other person also by letting them know what's up. You know, I'm not just talking about myself, I'm talking about in general. Just trying to get some, with y'all point of view of like, should your spouse tell you who coming to your house first? Ooh, man. Y'all see me trying to pick this stuff up here? It's crazy. But yeah. I pray I get better. Hopefully I get better. Because I ain't been able to eat, so I guess I need a little better start eating what I want to eat. You gotta take time and enjoy it. Just like, just sit there. And then about the speaking stuff, like people should speak to you and your spouse, not just one person. Like basically a female spoke to my husband. Like she waved him. I guess he didn't catch her eye or wave it or whatever. But when I walked outside, she go look at me like, and didn't even say nothing. I'm like, girl, I'ma snatch you bald headed, all right? I don't play that. I do not play that. It's disrespectful. It is. But people always trying to try you. I'm trying to get in this sauce, y'all. Go to the garlic and onions in here, yo. I ain't give y'all a bite. That's how good it is, yo. I'll share the next round. Prank coming soon. This stuff fire. But yeah, shout out to everybody that support us. The people that ran our playlist. I appreciate you. And thank you for getting in my DMs and let me know that y'all that ran our list. Ooh. We almost there. We almost there. I'm looking to do a collab with somebody soon, so a virtual collab or any kind of collab. We'll be doing collab soon, or traveling, because I'm trying to go to Texas, y'all. I'm trying to go to Texas. These is already supposed to be peeled. They said it was peeled and all that, and deveined and capped. Well, I'm already capping. Let me know where else I can go to get some crab and shrimp from. Cause like Walmart has be selling out of stuff. Cause everybody caught on to the seafood boil. And you know how to do that? The worker in Walmart. She said, I see everybody buying crab for the seafood boil. How do you do yours? I was like, damn, she didn't cut on. That's why we have enough crab and shrimp. Didn't bother though. Every Walmart, not one, every Walmart. So whoever watching my video that live out here in AZ, stop buying all the crab and shrimp. Say something for us. We want some too. Woo, boy. I am like, this is boring, but it's not boring. It's a mukbang, seafood boil / messy eating / listen to what I'm saying. Coughing. I was supposed to be doing a challenge. I forgot, but I had to do a challenge. But yeah, I don't want to eat all the time because this makes you gain weight, especially if you're eating unhealthy. And some people in our mukbang community be eating unhealthy, and like a lot of people been gaining weight. And some mukbangs like be messy, like, oh my gosh, I don't need to see this. Why is he eating like that? Like, why? I know you gotta enjoy your food, but you ain't gotta be like, like that's just nasty. I had to, that's just nasty. People looking out my window. Alright, y'all, this is not gonna be long. It's gonna be short. I just want to get on here real quick and give y'all by anxiety y'all in here. I ain't finished nothing. Taste good? Alright. This does not like the mouth challenge again, because I ain't got my mouth. I just licked it. Yeah, but alright, y'all. If y'all want to help us get to that milestone of 2K, because we almost there, share us out with your friends. If you don't like this video, click to the next video. This is the video for my fans and my supporters. The people that don't have a YouTube channel, but they're really rocking with us. Ew. Cause it's not gonna be too many of these mukbangs are eating food no more. Even though I love eating food, it ain't gonna be every day. We gonna upload, but it's not gonna be every day with no food. I'm gonna start trying to learn how to do makeup tutorials, like get some help watching videos, you know what I'm saying, hair videos. I'm about to start doing different stuff, y'all. This is 2020. It's time for different stuff instead of just eating food and stuff and getting full and fat. Cause your girl is getting a little chunky, and I am not trying to get surgery like a lot of YouTubers I done seen. Okay, they're young YouTubers, right? Let me see, how old is they? I ain't mentioning their names and stuff, but y'all probably know. They're 21 or 20 years old or 19 like that, and they got surgery. Like, they don't want to work out. Some people just have babies and they be like, oh, I just had a baby, so I'm gonna try to get my snap back, so I'm gonna give me some surgery just because you got money. Girl, if I had money, I still wouldn't get surgery because surgery is dangerous and it can revert if you do not exercise. It can revert right back, and you can be back a pumpkin, just a big ass pumpkin, okay? And if you get booty surgery, like the little, what is that stuff called? Oh, a BBL. I've been looking that up too. And the BBL is like the Brazilian butt lift. That can revert also, because if you don't exercise, that mug gonna sag. And I know a man ain't going no saggy booty girl, okay? Me, I can exercise sometimes, but I take maca root powder pills. They like little vitamins and stuff. But I take those, and that's what help me gain weight and help me eat and stuff. But this eating unhealthy, it ain't gonna work. So yeah, if you don't want to go through surgery, check out Maca. Maca helps you get a little thick, okay? You ain't gotta do all the little surgery, cut, tuck, all that stuff. You can just get the maca root powder or the maca root supplement, the vitamin supplement, you guys. And you can get that booty that you want instead of having that little fake shit. Fat transfer from your back to your body, your stomach, whatever. That's dangerous too. Oh my gosh, I hate this cough. Alright, I love y'all, Trinity gang. I'm gonna be out. And I know y'all like, this is just a whole bunch of run around and talking. Yes, it is, but it is gonna keep you entertained. So you can get one subject that I was talking about the first time, and then to the other subject I was talking about. Because your girl is sick, and I am going to eat the rest of this probably and lay my black ass down because I'm tired. Alright, Trinity gang, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share us with any and everybody on your social media platforms, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we upload a video. And it's not gonna be a mukbang, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Prank videos coming soon, vlog videos also. Love y'all, peace and blessings. Oh man, I didn't even get no napkin. Ain't nobody gonna stop the goddamn camera with me, huh? Peace, Trinity gang.